Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. Whether you made a mistake or simply no longer need a particular entry, QuickBooks makes it easy to remove it. Let's go step by step so you can do this quickly and accurately. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. On the login screen, select QuickBooks Online, then enter your email or username and password and click Continue. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard, the hub for managing all your financial activities. Next, go to the left navigation menu and click on Reports. In the Reports section, focus on For My Accountant. Here you'll find a list of various financial documents. Look for Journal and click on it to open the journal report, which contains all your existing journal entries. Now you need to find the specific entry you want to delete. You can use the filter options such as transaction type to narrow down the list and locate the correct entry. Once you've identified it, click on the entry to open a detailed view of the transaction. At the bottom of the page, you click on More. This opens a menu with additional options, including Delete. Click Delete, and QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Make sure this is the correct journal entry because this action cannot be undone. If you're certain, click Yes to confirm, and the entry will be permanently removed from your records. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, always double-check your entries before deleting to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tutorials and helpful tips.